Well, good morning. Looks like we're cleaning out our goat pen this morning before the sun hits it really hard and makes the goat pen even more mushier. As you can see, we took out the feeder in the chicken coop, and we locked up the goats because so Mama and the baby are in here. And then the remainder of the goats with the puppies are in there. They're not really happy that they're locked up, but we've had to, one time we did this with the excavator, goat got on a track and we ended up having that goat for dinner. Getting this machine in here was tricky. It was actually really tricky. And you can just imagine the smell. The neighbors might complain, but we gotta get it done. So, alrighty. This is just Mark's skill. Our goal is to put this all in a heap so the sun can dry it out. And then we'll get it into compost, and it'll usually move down quite a bit. We have some hot weather coming up, so all this will break down and then we'll use it on our garden. We're probably going to load it up in our dump truck and take it to our property and use it on our garden. So we might have to scrape it one more time. Many of you might be thinking, why not a tractor? The tractor is just as big and awkward in here, and it's at the property to use for any snow removal at the moment. But right before we sell this house, we'll probably have a tractor and we'll blade it nice and smooth for the buyers and go from there.
Never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me.
As you can see, we're cleaning out our goat pen. Mark went in with the excavator, and now he's like, we're gonna get the pitchforks out and get the rest of it, which is a lot more. My makeup's still not cleaned up. I just woke up, sold 3 chickens, got to work. Here we are.
Good.
We got quite a bit. I am gonna probably scoop out the chicken coop too to get that cleaned up this morning. But yeah, just take a rake, and that's what I did a couple of months ago just to keep it all tidy up. So it's looking pretty good. I don't know if you see my previous videos where my shoes are literally like ankle deep in goat poo and pee, and now it's just like walking on mud, so it works. Oh my heck! Did they make this tripod like kid-proof and wife-proof? I don't even know what the heck. Well, maybe I'll try this one. Maybe it's the way the...
No. That's right where we're gonna be coming across.
How about right here?
Put it on the rock.
Put it on the rock. Oh, that's a good idea. See, Mark knows a lot of things. All right. I just clean up this frontage part.
Which what?
Just like this, just right here.
Oh, just like the
Yeah, just
clumps?
just the clumps here.
Okay. Come up to you. It'll drop a little bit out.
Okay, we're gonna put the feeder now back. So I don't know if you guys have seen all my videos. Logan has autism, but he's probably like the best helper that we have, and he just loves being around people and hanging out with us and participating, and sometimes he helps. As soon as I start videotaping, he'll videotape, and he's just so cute. He's like a really good kid.
pull it in.
Park it over here. Come on, let's just move out of the way. Grab right in the middle. We do have a loader on the tractor where this would make it a lot easier to do. Ooh, is he gonna lose it? Is he gonna lose it? Is it slipping? Are you gonna cut the bale?
Yeah. That should help it kind of
Loosen it before.
loosen out if it comes
Look at these puppies, they're all mad. Look at Daisy. Make that look fun. Yeah, but if I was to do it, I'd probably stab myself or something. But you make it look really fun. Like, oh, I wish I was capable of stabbing the hay bale and just loosening it up like that.
Well, these strings are under a lot of pressure, so they don't take a lot of sharpness.
You're pretty tough. You're doing great, sweetie. Unravel it with the excavator?
It's got a hell of a lot more pulling power than I can.
Is that cheating?
No, it's not cheating.
Are you sure?
Got the job done.
I think it's cheating.
You get to pull the strings next time. And then you tell me if it's cheating.
No, it's not
You'll be
cheating.
like, why am I even trying to pull these? Just tie them to the excavator. I'd be like, no, you gotta pull them, it's cheating.
Oh, that looked way easy.
Cheating.
You were totally cheating. What?
What's the consensus? Is that cheating or is that work smarter, not harder?
Look how sad Daisy is. Before you open the gate, you gotta see, like, look how sad she is. She just wants to help so badly, and she is now too big to get under the fence, and she's so mad. There's one of our baby sets. 2 boys. Wish there were 2 girls, but they're so cute still.
Birds knocked on the mineral wall.
We have 4 boys.
Yeah, now we have 4 boys in the pen. There you go, everyone. Happy as could be.
Come on.
Will you check the
Ligaments?
the ligaments? See what she's up to?
Oh yeah.
They're loose?
Get to bed tonight. Good time.
Why? She's gonna have a baby at 2 in the morning? Red. Does she have any discharge? But they're loose?
Oh, there you go.
They're gone? Oh my gosh, that is great.
Where's
Jazzy May? Red, you're gonna have a baby. Does she have any discharge? No, she doesn't have any discharge.
she still has?
She still has, but she's bagging up.
Is she?
Yeah, she's looking like she's got some.
Yeah, she's starting to bag up a little.
I hate how you just like pick up, do it again. Look at this. You just pick her up and look and
It's a lot easier to see that way. Than
if you
try
ever
to
did
crawl
that
on
to
your
me, if you ever did that to me, so
own.
help
Not a
me.
gyno.
If a gyno ever did that to me,
You probably had one. Be a little rough with you.
it's amazing when we put them on the property with a bunch of trees and other nutrition. All this fur just gets all cleaned up looking. Just looks so good. I know they got all upset. You locked them up and wondering, what are you guys doing? We're like, you guys, this is for your own good.
Just like that. We're starting round 2 of the compost.
Yep.
All right.
I can't believe it. Red might have a baby. That's so exciting.
Yeah, they're legit gone, so.
This weekend. Nice. Nice. Red? When are you gonna give us them babies? I'm just checking you out. She's like not excited. I'm excited for these goats to start looking more Daisy. Looking a little more goatier, I guess. Less like they got out of like a, I don't know, a coal mine or something, because they look all messy and dirty right now. And Red usually is so pretty in the summertime. She just turns all dark brown. She looks like a chocolate. And then in the winter she sheds this little blonde coat that she puts on. She really is a great goat. She's really great. Ragnar, are you finally happy now that we got some more hay? Just pulling it out, going crazy over it. This is the heated power washer that we got. So we're gonna wash the excavator and the chicken coop just to get all the muck off of it. It's only about 10 a.m. so now that the weather's getting way nice, we want it to dry up in the sun.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to